Now I can go back to the summary and I can see Pennywise. I can't change her order anymore because I've completed it. But there's a couple things I can do. Number one, I can click on this and I can send her the invoice from my local email client, right? So it's going to put her address in here. This is going to look into whatever email you have set up on your computer. It also is going to have the message, the customized message that you put into this email. And the question is, where do you change this customized message? I'll show you guys that right now. So when I go into my business, my information, and I go to party settings, there's two things about the settings of a party I can change. I can change the default hostess credit that I want to give at the party. I can also change the message. So in here I have the message as happy days. Many of you are going to want to put, a message thanking the customer for their order. You're going to want to put the URL of your microsite in here. Maybe you're going to want to put your contact information. I encourage you to do that.